And then we're going to turn it over to the next band. Thank you for coming out tonight. Oh, but we tune because we care. Maybe I should tell you that story. All right, let's do it. David and I used to write songs together back in the day. He would call me up with a song idea. Basically, the song title, the song idea had to fit on a bumper sticker. So he calls me up one day and he says, "Kate, I got this idea for a song." I'm like, "Yeah, tell me." He goes, "Honk if you're lonely." I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "Guy's driving down the street, smiles, he waves, everything's great, but on his truck bumper, there's a bumper sticker that says, 'Honk if you're lonely.'" That's all he gave me. So I'm driving down the highway to Steve West's wedding, Lexington, Virginia, Highway 81 in the valley, and this song comes to me. I'm like, "Oh no, I'm driving, what am I gonna do?" I scribble it down on a napkin. I get to the wedding, Steve West's wedding. I show it to David. He's like, "What is this chicken scratch?" But Jeff and I turned it into a nice little song. David called me years later. He said, "Hey, can you send me those lyrics?" I sent him the lyrics in the 90s, and the next thing I know, it was on his record, American Water. Love it. He did a great job with it, but we're going to play it for you the original way, which was a sad little country waltz. And it even ended up in a movie, which is more story. Do I got more story to go here, Jeff? How long is that tune? It's only in D. Don't worry. Am I in tune?
It's only in D.
Yeah.
The guitar is 60 years old, and it's having some of the same problems I'm having.
All righty. There you go. All right. Y'all can sing along. It writes itself. It sings itself. This would be a nice one to get an audience to sing along. On the chorus or on the verses. You ready? 2, 1, 2, 3.
Radio's on, I'm feeling alright. Cruising the strip on a Saturday night. I smile and I wave and I hide all my pain, but the sign on my bumper gives me a ring. Honk if you're lonely tonight. If you need a friend to get through the night, a toot on your horn, a flash of your eyes. Honk if you're lonely tonight. I know a honky-tonk where we can go. A booth in the corner with the lights way down low.
Jeff Grossfeld, Arden Grossfeld, John Lindemann, Conrad Meissner, Rick Jones, Kate Pratt. Blue Arrangements, thank you so much. Stick around, more good music. Bring your Hot Wheels up if you got them.